Abraham Lincoln talks a democracy na government of the people, by the people, and for the people. Based on wisdom, knowledge, and understanding, we don't carry our own come talk say, as it is hot, na show of the people, by the people, and for the people. On top of the Chairman television station, Wazobia TV, on top Star Times channel 195. We dey talk am say, every weekday from 10 go reach 11 don turn Christmas. Sake of say, all the talk when the front burner of Nigerian political arrangement, we dey carry am, drop am for down as the thing dey comot plenty smoke. Make yourself carry your long spoon, chook for inside the matter. Talk am the way when the thing be you for body, so that those wey the matter concern go take the necessary action to move this our country forward. My name na Ezogo Chukwudi. And as usual, I know dey alone inside studio. I dey with my brother when sabi well as he take concerning political matter as e dey hot.
Yes, good morning. Finally, the much anticipated list of ministerial people don't do it. They don't release and they don't announce them yesterday. And we don't hear questions and answers. We don't hear reactions from Nigerians over this matter. I want to say, only we are not going to talk because we'll still enter into RAM. The program now asks Ide Hot, and on today's edition, we'll look into this special matter. We'll also open our phone line when that time reached for us to do it, for us to also contribute for the matter as Ide Hot. And my name never say change. My name is Unkubi.
We don't go waste time. We go just move sharp into the whole process. But when we refresh the minds and memory of Nigerian people, everybody remember, say on the 30th of September, our Oga Presido carry the list of ministers, then put inside envelope, can use gumma, so that now only the Senate President go fit tear them open. Can send in Chief of Staff, Oga Abba Kyari, and Ita Enang, say make dem carry waka go the office of the Senate President, go give am the letter. At 4:59 p.m. as they give the Senate President the letter, he can put them on Twitter, say he don't get the letter, but he no go open am until all in people for Senate sit down Tuesday, that is yesterday we pass. So yesterday at around 10 o'clock, when they thought everybody might don't cool, he can carry the envelope, now brown envelope, can tear am, open am, bring out the list of the people when we say Oga Presido don't compile as people when go be ministers, and now 21 names now in inside this list. Plenty Nigerians don't come and talk say, this list it be like say the thing they shocking and the thing they fear people, because some people when they inside there, now people when we say even before Oga Presido win election, he supposed to all call their name, say now these people go be ministers. Other people they talk say he don't do what in the constitution give and the power to do, and to move this our country forward. Sharply we will just read out the names of those when they inside the ministerial list, so that everybody inside Obodo Nigeria go they very in tune with the names of people when they inside the ministerial list. We go start with Senator Chris Ngige, former governor of Anambra State. We go move to Dr. Kayode Fayemi, former governor of Ekiti State. We go also do Rotimi Amechi, former governor of Rivers State. We go also do Babatunde Raji Fashola, former governor of Lagos State. We go move forward to General Abdulrahman Dambazao, retired, former Chief of Army Staff. We go also look the APC gubernatorial candidate for inside Taraba State, Aisha Al-Hassan, former gubernatorial candidate. We go also look former Commissioner for Finance inside Ogun State, former National Legal Advisor of the defunct Congress for Progressive Change, Abubakar Malami, Senator Sirike Hadi, and Adebayo Shitu. These 11 people I just mentioned now people will say their name first come out for on top of that list. We can't go forward. We get Suleiman Adams, Solomon Dalong. We also get Dr. Ibe Kachiku, Osage Ehanire, Udo Udoma, Ahmed Isa Ibeto, Ibrahim Jibril, Audu Ogbe. We also get Amina Muhammad, and we get Ibrahim Komasi. 21 names. When Oga Presido talk say, oh yeah, after he don't check, don't look, these people he believe say they go move this our country forward, working with them as minister. Nigerians, wetin una think? Wetin una feel? Una dey disappointed, or una talk say yes, una stand for the back of Oga Presido as he take concern this list to move this our country forward. At the level when we dey so be that. Unkubi, I know as they say, former, the thing just they fear you. Your mind they cut. Your mind they call, because you know say on top of as they all today, Nigerians go call. They go use question, fire you, because you get plenty things to talk. Make I not even talk too much. Make I allow you just move on from there.
Former. Shena criteria for good governance.
Are you asking me?
No, of course. Now that one no go define say governance no go move on. Yes, from these are credible people. Oga Muhammad Buhari don't say yes. These people are people who go feed do it. Go feed move the country forward with them. So that is why I do it. He bring out these names. Say yes, these people I have seen, I have X-rayed, I have checked, in fact, I have done everything they're able to me say yes. Everything about these people they credible. That's why I appoint them to be ministers. So we could see what to go move on. And bear in mind, say the person where they at the helm of affair. Now, strong person will say anybody will do PAM, you know, go constant to say okay, you don't try come out to try out another person. So the former not be criteria. Now good governance would they seek for, and that is why they say okay, make would they look out. But to tell you the truth, in as much as with the talk say we want good governance, we get something where we say. A particular set of people, that is us, people like us, they demand for. And when I mean us, I mean the youth. Because if you see Twitter...
Wait, we say people, you say which youth? Wait, talk with the youth.
With the youths.
Which youth?
Somebody like me, I don't know.
Excuse me, Nkubi, please, I beg you in the name of God. If they count youth, I beg, no ever count yourself as youth.
On what ground?
Thank you very much.
No. I don't. What to be? I don't know. What to be?
And I was leaving this talk for you.
No. I go talk with now. That one I won't talk. I will talk.
The time
you
when
will not stop me from not talking.
The time when you go secondary school, not be the old national anthem that they sing.
Hey, Chukudi, what thing I do you now?
What do you do
now
me?
The same Arise O Compatriots.
Which Arise O Compatriots?
The same Arise O Compatriots.
On October 1st, when we they watch old video of Nigeria independence for 1960, when they show for TBS, you not follow for people when they wave flag. You don't see the person. You are the person. You don't know saying that you be the person when inside the video.
You see white bear for my body.
Forget bear. You can be blessed. You can be blessed. You can be blessed with black bears. Yes, you can be blessed with black bears.
It will not stop me from saying what I want to say. I will say it, and I will say it. And I talk. I see they talk and they go say we the youth say because if you go Twitter here. The demand, that is the people just they talk. Make I not even look the major aspect of what people they look. But one particular thing what I pick up from there, say, the same youth where we rally around where ensure say this election, say we call for a change in governance, we call for a change in the leadership. Why we not even see one? Otomburu, just one like this, we not see for this list. I mean, it is a questionable issue. I mean, we need to ask questions. Oga Muhammad Buhari, should that just people of like minds or people of old age, you feel say go feel rule this country? You think we say then get young blood, then get strong blood for them. They don't know how to rule country. Why not even appoint to make you see how far? Now that place I get issue with you. At least let us integrate new generation into it. Let us know, say yes, we are moving forward. By the time this book go down old now, who you go one hand over to? Where we say, he never they groom, if they is right from ground. Those are the questions we need to be asking ourselves. Chukudi, so you were saying?
Not be tell me say we were saying. Not they tell me say we were saying.
Wait, tell me that. Wait, don't tell me say.
See, you see, I understand why Nigerians, a lot of Nigerians, they are grieved. Why a lot of Nigerians, they in shock. Because if we check where we're now, Oga Presido been promised say, okay, one of the reasons why he waste time for this list now because of the handover note when they give him, the thing don't come early. And this handover note when they give him, he go take in time to look up so that they don't go make mistake. Another thing when he talk, we say some of the ministries they perform overlapping functions. Say make them collapse them, that is join two into one, so that you don't go be saying that the same thing that in the different ministries they do. He can also talk and say, now only technocrats, people when get the requisite experience, people when they qualified, people when we say they don't get any kind of maybe criminal case or anything, now go there inside this list. Nkubi, look this list where some of the people when they inside this list, even though they talk say, okay, make people go court, make people do this, do you think that if person say then tie somebody name with so many talk about back and forth, say he's supposed to make this list, and you know who I am talking about?
Now you dey see am, me and dey see am.
Now they tell me say I dey see am because I just call the names of everybody when they say here. Don't come here and be pretending to Nigerians.
I don't see anything.
Don't come here and be pretending to Nigerians.
The only thing I know say Oga Audu Ogbe will be where they represent Benue State. The only thing we say yes, he was part of the Shagari government. That one me know.
And he was former chairman of PDP.
That is I know about that one. Then in Ngige, which nigga one hold for? Former governor of Anambra State. So who again? Ogbonnayono, former governor of the old this thing when Ebo is still there for Abia State. So waiting again, which other names you want to see there? Udoma, former senator, where they represent Akwa Ibom. So waiting again, want make a look there.
Former governors.
Who be the former governor where they did now?
Look the picture where.
I want to say something like Ogaraji Fashola, no be credible individual who know say he rule Lagos State well, and at least we know make we not go further than that. At least now somebody with the credible yourself. You don't talk a couple of times in a strong band.
But we been hear something when they attached to a name.
In the end, where you hear them, where the facts.
When come out from the office of the Lagos State government in itself.
In the end, where the facts.
Something when come out from the office of the Lagos State government.
In the end, where the result, now where the facts.
It means say some people when supposed to do something, not do what they're supposed to do. Because, excuse me,
he don't talk and take home and talk, say these people are trying to at least ruin his personality.
The same Lagos State government, when he be saying he just finished from command, now they want to ruin his personality. Okay, who could be? The other governor went inside.
Chukudi, I'm not going to take my man. Now you see the governors mention them.
Okay, do us the honor of former River State governor.
So former River State governor, waiting to him. Waiting to him.
Waiting people they tie to a name. That's what we are saying. We they talk say, okay, Oga President promise or say, this list we want it because see, I go speak English.
Wait.
There was a lot of furore.
If there are a lot of furore, if there are a lot of furore, or that maybe people don't they present name. Okay, are these issues in court?
Not the matter of issues in court.
So what makes it like what make a day this thing?
It not be, see the issue here be say not even whether it dey court or it no dey court. Okay,
that is a criteria for saying yes, the person don't get criminal case on top of the head.
The gubernatorial candidate of the APC for Kogi State. In case they court, abi no they court.
He did this ministerial.
No, wait. In case they court, abi no they court.
He did this ministerial.
No. In case they court, abi no they court. He no be flag bearer of the party. No, they even they see.
When it comes to that, when it comes to that, no, they even talk about because I remember your Theodoji before he become governor and under before he even contest. I know the kind court case when he get.
Thank you very much.
They even catch at that time.
Thank you very much.
He became governor and was still under your platform. They still put up for governor.
Theodoji. Thank you very much. Thank you very much for raising this issue.
And then now the law has said
thank you very much for raising this issue.
For at least for them to be able to fight this issue.
Governor Theodoji get case, abi no get case, he get case. He go court, go clear his name, abi he no go court. He go wait. He go court, abi he no go court. How can the chairman of a party in Kogi State they tell us say make una vote for person? Say if he become governor, he go return 11 billion naira. Excuse me.
Accepted when it comes to that.
That's an indictment.
No.
You don't already accept say the person is criminal.
If not that one, accepted because that was the worst statement that will come from an individual.
Chairman of which party?
As a matter of fact.
Chairman of which party?
Don't make it a political thing. Don't make it a party thing. What is wrong with you?
Why is it not a political thing?
Don't make it.
Which party?
Not
a point with. Not a point with that.
Don't make it a party thing. Don't make it a party thing.
Not a point with that.
I think I express myself.
Which kind of express yourself?
I think I express myself.
You can't point out to me. You think that only
I know this to express. That's why they take this to express myself. Don't make it a political thing.
Respect yourself on this show.
Respect yourself on this show.
Respect yourself on this show.
I don't want you respect yourself, Chukudi.
Come here, they say Nigerian youth. They categorize yourself as Nigerian youth.
What am I if I'm not a Nigerian youth? Didn't I be?
Which Nigerian youth you be?
Do I look like an old man?
We the youth. When the matter concern, we don't
let me talk with no go talk here.
Dress like 1992 elder. You come there, they tell us this thing. Wake up like who wants to land quarrel.
Please, look. Chukudi, you're like, see, I don't want you. Now issue say one can address here. Man just said, no, they refer me as old man. No, they refer me as person who can settle land.
I call you old man.
You come and they talk. You read that all these lawyers, they say they hang around their court. We don't get job. They do charge and pay matter. Now what do you reason for that now?
Thank God say I be young lawyer. But you, they settle case. You be like who know the history of the village. When they come say, they come and help us to settle this quarrel.
It don't do you.
Talk ministerialist, you dey shift, you dey shift. You don't want to talk ministerialist. You don't want to talk ministerialist.
He don't do you. Let us address this issue like gentlemen.
Who could be, you know wetin? Make we just open phone lines now.
Chukudi, make we never open phone line. We not say yes, we go open phone line when that time reach. But right about now, let us.
Why you dey fear say make we no open phone lines?
We go open phone line now. Yes, we open phone line.
Why you call dey fear say make we no open phone lines?
What do you mean?
We are going to open the phone lines. Make Nigerians call. Make them chook for inside this matter.
Juwon, make I call you. Don't open this phone lines.
Why you dey fear make you open phone lines?
Don't open this phone lines, Juwon.
Who could be?
We'll open phone lines when it is appropriate.
Who could be the youngest person for this list? Now, Kemi Adeosun from Ogun State. How old she be? 48.
So why can't they raise this one now? No.
Maybe you talk of youth here now.
No, that's why they call say yes, youth. We need the integration of youth into the system.
Who could be? How old is Nigeria? 55. 55 minus 48 equals to wetin? 7. So no 7-year-old person for Nigeria at independence. In fact, not 20-year-old person for Nigeria at independence.
You don't do.
But they tell me say you don't do me because this is the best thing. Professor Patrick Okedinachi who told me when serve for Alhaji Shehu Shagari government as special adviser.
Now all of the people they look out for where the name go come out, but we see the way.
How old him be that time? 27 years old.
Yes, I know.
Who he succeed?
I know.
Professor Odenigbo when teacher for university. How old Wogbe now when they this list too? When he be minister under Shagari government, 82, 83, how would he be that time? Are you telling me that we don't have young Nigerians that are competent?
What did I talk here when I start this thing?
Who could be?
I talk say, why are they not integrating the youth into this governance? Because now this youth carry this election for head. Now this youth know what they want. What they demand, say yes, what a new government. And now this youth even come push for, make sure say the old government come from government.
How many names did this list? 21. How many women did there? 3. Who could be? If we're talking about romance, if we're talking about romantic president, I've been talking this thing that time.
Yes.
No, excuse me. Never you ever caught me.
Don't you ever even raise your hand to tell me, never you caught me. Don't you ever try it. Because I have the right to talk. Because now, as long as we get the right to talk, we get the freedom of speech, we they talk. Don't you ever, you, Chukudi, don't you ever raise your hand at me and tell me, make I not talk with now, talk. Don't you?
But I was talking before you started talking.
I don't want to know. I have the right to talk as well.
You don't have the right to interrupt me.
I was not interrupting.
I have the floor.
I was talking.
I have the floor.
No.
Respect.
Now debate today.
Respect yourself.
It resembles debate.
Allow me to talk.
I will not allow you to talk. You will not talk on this matter. Oga Chile, you will not talk on this matter.
Allow Oga Chile to talk now.
Oga Chile, good morning.
Yeah, Nkobi, good morning.
Good morning.
Chukwudi, good morning.
Good morning, Oga Chile.
The list. I am not surprised. I am not surprised because I know say people where they talk of change, they are not in the same page with our Papa. Our Papa has his own way, his own change that he wants to introduce in Nigeria. While the people that are running around and clamoring change, people like Nkubi them, they have their own notion of change. If not, tell me why somebody like Audu Ogbe that served as minister in 1983, that is 32 years ago, tell me what idea he wants to bring into this government of change. When we have youth, we have people that are academically, spiritually, economically, whatever sound that can be able to lead this country forward. It is fun. I am not talking about Amechi. I'm not talking about Fashola. I'm not talking about any one of them. Because in their own way, they have the experience for now. But if they are talking about change, should people who has a lot of things that is attached to their names, should Baba Buhari, should he have brought them into reckoning? Should he have brought them into that list? What I feel that list is compensational list, not ministerial list. He is compensating them for working for him. Those ones are not qualified to be ministers under this dispensation of change. And so he has to go back to the drawing board and bring in youth, people in the 21st century who can take us to where we are heading to. Thank you.
Thank you very much.
Thank you very much, Oga
Chile. You don't make very, very important points, and you don't emphasize on the fact, say, we need young people to contribute to this government if indeed we want to move country forward. We go quickly rush, enter break. When we go come back, we will begin to take all the calls. Just prepare, because you go talk up the way when the team be. As it is hot, when they come back.
If you know, just enjoy the video they want to just watch, make una sharply subscribe to our channel. Not darling.